Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how the 2017 Ford Fusion SE's headlight connector looks, because this headlight is actually different from the previous model of the year. The 2016's, from the 2013 to 2016, doesn't have this DRL in front. Right now I've already unplugged the headlight, so to reach over and grab it, you have to grab it from under and then pinch this little tab right there, if you can see, and pull. So there you go, with that tab on disconnected. Now if you can see, the headlight doesn't turn on at all because the tab is out. If you can see on this side, there is a DRL. Yeah, so that was the light, but so there's this little LED strip light lights up here. The 2016s and previous didn't have that. So this is the headlight connector right here. Just grab it through here, and here you go. Now if you can see, this doesn't have all its pins filled on this side. You can pause the video if you want to look at these pins, because it'll be easier. But yeah, if you look on this side, there's all the pins except the two from the top after the first one. And then on this side, there's all of them except the first and the fourth one. So I will also post a picture of the 2015's model year plug, because I used to have a 2015 and I do have those pictures if you would like it for reference. And now to put it back, just plug it in. That's a click. And now test it by opening the door. Everything works and we're all good. Thank you, and yeah, watch the just leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.